Ever have quail before? This little bird is a delicacy. Tender, flavorful, and seriously underrated. Now, imagine it grilled over one of the hottest woods on the planet, quebracho. Today, we're pushing the limits of live fire cooking. We're marinated fresh quail in a limoncello-based marinade, then searing them up right over blazing hot embers. It's citrusy, smoky, and built for bold flavor. We start with a simple marinade, limoncello, garlic, herbs, lemon zest. We let that quail soak it in. Quebracho brings heat and density, locking in that flavor with a perfect crust. Grilling quail isn't easy. It's small, delicate, it cooks lightning fast. Miss the timing, you'll dry it out. But hit that perfect char, it's pure magic. Now that the fire's ready, we lay the quail skin side down, and instantly you hear it. The sizzle, the crackle, the smell of wood smoke and citrus caramelizing. Golden skin, juicy meat, touch of citrus, bold smoke. This is how you elevate game bird on the grill. Have you tried quail before? Drop your favorite fire-cooked bird below and subscribe for more smoke-soaked flavors from New York barbecue guys.